Hello y'all, my name is Miss Tyler Smith and today we are going to make happy boxes. So what exactly is a happy box? Basically it's a box to put a bunch of mementos in, so that way when you're feeling upset or sad you can just look back in your box and remember why you should be happy. Yeah, I know it's kind of cheesy, but during this year we've had a lot of rough ups and downs and felt like this would be a great intro to summer type of activity. So, supplies that you will need. I'm gonna use plenty of different things. I will be using a cake box because it's nice and flat and I can do whatever I want with it. You can also use handy dandy shoe boxes, anything with a lid, because we have a cute little message that's going to go on the inside. Anything with the lid works. So you need some sort of box. You will need paint or construction paper or collage materials, whatever you want to decorate your box with. I just have basic craft paint. My kids know that I love neon colors, so all of mine is pretty bright. You will need something to put the paint on your box with. I have sponges because I like sponges. Use whatever is easiest for you. Something to put your paint in. I have the little fancy little paint cups. You can use normal cups, plates, it doesn't really matter. Just something to put your materials in. And of course, I love my Sharpies. So instead of paint pens, I have a bunch of Sharpies. My students will be using paint markers. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I am going to paint both sides of this amazing box. Hi. First, and once the paint has dried, we'll go ahead and decorate and then put together our happy box. So, it's been 10 minutes. Okay, let's be real, it's been 15 because I had to clean up. And I have a super sloppy, super fun, painted box. Yeah, I know it's not ooh la la, but it's mine and it makes me happy. So the next step is decorating, which is always fun. I'm gonna do something really simple, cute, easy. I'm gonna do a real quick affirmation tree. So this is what I have so far. I know it don't look like the next Picasso, but I'm not an art teacher, I'm a career teacher. And this is just a fun little thing to start off summer school. So in between each circle, I'm going to write some fun thing that is a confidence boost. Oh, it looks like balloons. How cool is that? Look at me being all smart. All right, so I will now put my box together. So here is my completed happy box. I know it's not much to look at, but I am very proud of it. Seeing as I am a career technical education teacher and not an art teacher, it makes me happy. So when you open up the box, it has my beautiful blue, and it has a fun little poem that kind of helps me to remember why I made it. It says, "This is my happy box. I will fill it with the things that make me smile. And come any sorrowful days, I can look upon my box of sunshine." And then of course I signed it as a little note to myself. So next class we will be filling our happy boxes with anything that makes us happy. Little mementos. I'll have a bunch of different activities like slime. But for those of you doing it at home, you can always add in photographs, letters from other people, or just from yourself. Stickers, anything that makes you happy, so that way you remember that you are loved, even in the times that are really particularly hard. So, hope that helped. Somebody smile. Smile, little unicorn box, y'all. All right, have a great day, and I hope your project turns out fantastic.